If you're a photographer, either novice or professional, you're no doubt captivated by your camera and all its extra goodies. In this video, we'll look at a couple of incredibly helpful new tech camera gadgets that will enhance your photography skills and help you capture that perfect moment in time. Number 1. Pulse. With Pulse, you can now control your camera directly from your smartphone. The Pulse device plugs into your DSLR or mirrorless camera's USB port and provides you with the creative freedom to use your camera for anything from stills to video. Pulse has 24 hours of battery life, and because it's lightweight and portable, it's easy to take with you on even the most demanding adventures. The device makes use of Bluetooth connectivity and is compatible with iOS and Android and more than 60 cameras on the market. With the image preview function, you get to view the thumbnails directly on your phone. With this device, you can easily set up your camera and trigger it from anywhere in the room up to 100 feet from the camera itself. Pulse also supports HDR capabilities, and the Pulse app lets you know of any issues before they get the chance to ruin your shot. You can now control up to 3 Pulse-equipped cameras at once. Number 2. MagBeam. With the revolutionary MagBeam Fresnel lens modifier, you can have concentrated brighter light, a killer beam pattern, and projection masks that turn your flash into a pattern-projecting miracle. The device comes with a telephoto lens for a laser-like precision beam with 2 to 3 useful extra stops of usable light. With its magnetic attachment, the MagBeam can be fixed to your flash and fully extended in no time using only one hand. The universal design ensures that it can connect to every flash you own, making this an economic investment. Without changing the power, the MagBeam produces the same output at 3.6 times the original distance. The rigid lens of the MagBeam focuses light better, and the more focused the light, the brighter and stronger it appears. The lightweight silicone housing prevents unnecessary light from spilling out at the top. The MagBeam can operate in 3 different stages, making choosing the light for your perfect photo so much easier. Number 3. Agua Stormproof. The 3 new Agua Stormproof bags are the best stormproof bags on the market for your camera and drone. You can now choose between the Versa backpack, the drone lander, and the sling bag. The Versa backpack is small and stylish enough for everyday use, but also sturdy enough for even the wildest outdoor photography adventure. This is an ordinary bag with the benefit of a dock bag insert that keeps all your photographic equipment neat, safe, and dry. It has a versatile harness system with 3 carrying modes. The bag has a Stormproof dual-port USB charging connector and a Stormproof slot for your laptop and tablet. You'll also find 2 Stormproof external pockets that'll keep your personal belongings dry and organized. The bag sports a thermoforming reinforced bottom and has a special trolley insert to make traveling even more pleasant. Number 4. Capture Camera Clip V2. There's now a durable metal clip on the market that allows you to attach your camera to any backpack strap, belt, or bag. This remarkable device is called the Capture Camera Clip V2. Capture is a small metal clip, and its quick release system keeps your camera firmly secure yet immediately accessible with a simple click of a button. The device has a built-in safety lock, which ensures you need to twist the button a full 90 degrees. This prevents you from accidentally releasing your camera. The aluminum chassis has an ergonomic shape with a durable finish, and it's slim and lightweight. The new slot geometry helps the camera glide in and out quickly and freely. You'll never again miss that perfect shot while your camera is safely slipped into the Capture Camera Clip V2. The clip has 2 accessories. The Pro Pad gives you extra stability when carrying heavy cameras with Capture. And the POV kit lets you mount GoPro and point-and-shoot cameras on capture to take POV videos. Number 5. SteadXP. SteadXP provides you with 3 axis stabilizations in a feather-light, easy-to-use package. The device is compatible with nearly all digital cameras, including GoPro, DSLRs, and cinema cameras. Using the SteadXP's built-in accelerometer and gyroscope, your camera's movements are accurately recorded as you shoot. After capturing your pic, connect the SteadXP to your computer and watch as the software stabilizes and reduces all unwanted byproducts in the footage. Number 6. PixieO. With PixieO, you can now have your very own cameraman at your side anytime, day or night. No more wishing you could be part of all the memories you capture. You can now film yourself outdoor and indoor as PixieO tracks you, films, and can even zoom in and out on its own. The device is screwed onto a motorized base, which is fixed on a tripod and automatically points the camera at the moving subject wearing a connected tag. It connects to cameras, action cams, DSLR, and even smartphones. For those instances when you need more control, you should download the remote-controlled app, which is compatible with iOS and Android devices. PixieO is adaptable to most cameras, so you won't need to spend extra on buying all new equipment. It can track up to 100 meters and can pan a full 360 degrees. Number 7. MigO. Most cameras are bulky and awkward to lug around, but MigO will make this task easier and ensure you can always have your device with you to capture those precious memories. MigO is a padded camera strap or grip and carries your camera comfortably. Once you've captured all your photos, merely wrap MigO around your camera to provide superior protection without the need to carry around a big, cumbersome camera bag. With a range of different patterns and colors available, you can customize your MigO to suit your personality and lifestyle. There's a specially dedicated pocket for the lens cap, preventing it from going missing while you're busy shooting. MigO can be connected to a tripod thanks to the smart adapter screw. The strap is made from energy-absorbing neoprene and soft lycra materials and has a high-quality MigO branded zipper. Number 8. Turns Pro. Turns Pro is a fully customizable product that allows you to take short movies or pan time-lapse shots. This is a very affordable product, making it perfect for hobbyists, amateur photographers, as well as professional photographers. It lets you create perfect panoramas and time-lapse movies and pan real-time videos. Turns Pro has 2 modes to help you take fantastic panning time-lapse videos. In Turns mode, you can set the number of rotations from anywhere from 1 to infinity, as well as the time each rotation should take. In Degrees mode, you can set the angle to rotate the camera from 15 to 360 degrees, again selecting the time that suits you. Choose single pan or continually pan backward and forward. The simple and intuitive user interface has a power button that toggles the screen backlight on and off. Number 9. APOD Pro Max. The APOD Pro Max is a sturdy and flat mini tripod, ideal for low-angle shots and every other situation where standard tripods are impractical. It's made of aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium and can support up to 300 pounds. The APOD Pro Max is about the size of an iPad mini, and its larger footpiece makes it sturdy and stable. The device has a pair of slots that allow you to secure the tripod to freestanding objects or structures using bungee cords or even zip ties. The 4 spike screws can be used for better grip on rocks, and the rubber ends can help prevent scratching on furniture or even cars. Number 10. Powerex Indy 2000. With the best light reduction and resolution capabilities, Powerex Indy 2000 filters can be used with a variety of cameras and video applications. Just this one filter has the ability to replace multiple fixed ND filters. The filter has 11 stops of light reduction capability, truly one of a kind. It has an innovative filter frame design which reduces the overall volume of the filter. The filter frame is optimized to minimize height and bulk and is about half the length of other ND filters with a height of 5.5 millimeters when mounted. The filter has multiple layers of nano coating to protect it from dust, water, oil, and soil contaminants, which also helps with anti-reflection on glass surfaces.